Hair of the dog, bite the dog that bit you. All these are euphemisms for getting over a hangover. So today, we're doing a Bloody Mary mix. All right, so traditionally, Bloody Mary is a few spices, salt, pepper, some tomato juice, and a little bit of vodka. Well, today we're gonna dress it up a little bit, and I'm just gonna throw my spin on it. So we're using, instead of the regular tomato juice, we're using the Clamato. We're using, definitely gotta have Worcestershire sauce. And then one of my favorite sauces, hot spicy sauces, is the Valentina. Feel free to use Tabasco. Feel free to use whatever flavor you like. Make this your own. And then we're gonna garnish it. We're gonna basically have breakfast in a glass. So let's go ahead and get into this thing. Make some room. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and salt the rim, much like our michelada recipe, with some lime juice and some tahini. Get that going. Got a nice big cup of ice right here. We're going to fill that up to the top. Got our salted glass. We have our ice. We're going to go ahead and pour. This is a really big glass, so we're going to go ahead and pour in 2 ounces of vodka. We're going to go ahead and pour our Clamato in there. It's going to be a stiff one. This will definitely remove the hair. Just a splash of Worcestershire. Like I said, you could use Tabasco or your favorite hot sauce. Let's go ahead and grab a spoon to stir that up. Get that all nice and in there. Get those flavors going. To garnish, we're going to go ahead and squeeze 1 lime in there for sure. Got to have that bad boy. Throw a piece of celery stalk, some bacon. I've got some jalapeno garlic stuffed olives, and a slice of bacon. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Breakfast in a cup. You got it. Oh, it's messy, but you know what? It's absolutely, yeah. Well worth it. Well worth it. The thing about pouring drinks is you can really wow your friends as you're doing this at home. Side of biscuits and gravy. Get all that booze soaked up. I'll see you in just a second. Hope you got something out of today's episode. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and definitely leave your comments down below. Thanks for coming to my party. Love you, mean it.